Hi everyone, welcome to this week's 3-Minute Thursday. My name is Cris, and today we will look at the second part of our mini-series on NetFabb. In this video, I will go over how to create plugs for draining out excess or support material. This works great when using a 3D printer such as the HP Multi-Jet Fusion. I will also cover how to add text and logos to parts. Last time, I created a part in SOLIDWORKS, saved it, and imported it into NetFabb, where I hollowed it and created a lattice structure. That way, I saved 65% in weight and material while preserving most of its strength. Today, I am going to start where we left last time. Here, I have created the plugs, 3 millimeters thick, just like the shell of the part, if you remember. Once they are positioned where I want them, preferably a flat surface where they will make contact and I can glue them back if I want to later, I select all objects from the feature tree or by selection box and use the Boolean operation. Here I choose which objects I want to remove. I will choose remove original parts, although other times I will keep them. And here we go. Very good. Now I'm going to flip the part over. I select the logo I want to add. And then I choose a depth of 1 millimeter and leave it on Add to Part, so it will create an emboss. Then I choose where to place the logo and adjust its dimensions. I am going to keep the old part and just turn it off in the tree. So again, on the bottom, I will add another logo. I can actually adjust the image quality to some degree. This time I will choose to subtract from the part to create a deboss. Then I will set it. And click Apply. Look at that. Beautiful. Now, see this warning sign right here? This means there is a problem, most likely with the mesh. So next time, in the third part of the mini-series, I will go over how to fix basic mesh problems and then send the part to the printer to have it printed. Like always, thank you for watching TPM's 3-Minute Thursdays.